A limited power of attorney is a legal document that allows someone to act on your behalf under certain circumstances. They can be extremely useful for someone who, for example, has plans to be out of the country at the time of an important business transaction, or on a longer-term basis for those who don't want to be bothered every time a financial question pops up. As the name indicates, there are limits to this tool. So what are they? And how do you create one? Let's take a look. First, how does a limited power of attorney work? Power of attorney is an old concept in law. A person called the principal can give someone else, the agent, the power to do things that usually only you can do, like approve documents requiring a signature. The principal doesn't have to be an attorney to get these powers. This power has always had certain limits. One is time. A power of attorney may not last forever. With a limited power of attorney, the principal can specify how long he or she wants the arrangement to last, a week, a month, a year, etc. It's also possible to put a time limit that isn't a number, say for example, as long as it takes to close a house on Elm Street. The power of attorney also traditionally has a built-in time limit if the principal dies or becomes incapacitated. The other limit has to do with the kind of actions the agent can take. A principal may, for example, give an agent the power to manage a stock portfolio, but deny the agent the power to oversee an art collection. Just because someone is empowered to make some decisions doesn't mean the person can make every decision. There's even a special category for powers of attorney for medical decisions, because they implicate much different values than business questions. So, how should you set up a limited power of attorney? The document creating the power of attorney should do all of the following. Clearly identify who the agent will be. It's possible to designate more than one or a group of people, like a law firm. Identify what powers the agent will have. Will they be able to sign your name, buy or sell stocks, transfer ownership of real estate? Be as specific as possible. State how long the arrangement will last. You can also include a clause that allows you to bring the arrangement to an end ahead of schedule. Because power of attorney forms give the agent a great deal of power, it's a good idea to think carefully about the issues involved. Start by asking yourself, what situation do you need help with? How long will you need the help for? And who do you know that might be able to help? It's always best to designate someone you know well and are comfortable with, but that description probably doesn't narrow it down very much. Think about the kind of decisions that the agent is likely to make in your absence. If, for example, the agent may face a complex financial question, you may want to pick a person with business experience. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Click or tap the link here for a detailed guide to limited powers of attorney, including sample forms for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that will help you stay organized.